Hey there! Welcome to day 15 of Inktober. I have finally managed to put together a new time-lapse. It's a barn owl. Today I have an update regarding my video schedule for October. I can finally say for sure how the rest of my Inktober will look like, at least concerning the time-lapses. Apart from the one you are watching right now, I have 2 more complete videos prepared, which will be scheduled uploads. The next one will go live on October the 18th, and the second one on October 22nd. Then finally I plan to try and make one more Inktober time-lapse after I come back from the trip. And lastly, like I mentioned before, I will make a flip-through to show all my Inktober drawings, however many I will have by the end of the month. Thank you for watching, and I hope I'll see you next time. Bye!